Namaskar students, today we are going to start the chapter Heat Flow and Temperature. Heat. Heat is a form of energy which makes the substance hot. Whenever a hot and a cold object comes in contact with each other, then heat energy flows from hot object to cold object. Now SI unit of this heat is joule. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. The common unit for temperature is degree Celsius and the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. We cannot measure the temperature of any object just by touching. We can just feel the temperature, whether it is hot or a substance is cold. But if we want to measure the exact temperature of the particular object, then we need an instrument. We need an instrument which is known as thermometer. Now let us study about laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is made up of a glass tube. It contains a thin capillary tube in between. It has a glass bulb which is filled with mercury. On gaining heat, this mercury rises in the glass capillary of the tube. The range of temperature in this thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This type of thermometer is used to measure temperature of liquids in laboratory. So this is the diagram of a laboratory thermometer, and you can see the glass bulb is present, then thin mercury thread you can see in the capillary tube, and a glass tube is present, and you can see the range is from minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. The following are some precautions to be taken while using a laboratory thermometer. Handle the thermometer with care. Do not hold the thermometer by bulb. The thermometer should be kept upright and not tilted. The bulb should not touch the surface of container. The thermometer bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance whose temperature is to be measured. We should note down the temperature reading by keeping the thermometer bulb immersed in the substance. Now, what do you mean by lower standard point and upper standard point? The lower standard point, or it is also known as lower fixed point or ice point. It is the temperature of pure melting ice which is 0 degrees Celsius at normal atmospheric pressure. Now, upper fixed point or upper standard point, or it is also known as steam point, is the temperature of pure boiling water which is 100 degrees Celsius at normal atmospheric pressure. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer measures body temperature. Its range is 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Kink is present in clinical thermometer. And normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Now, what is the function of kink in a clinical thermometer? As you can see in this picture that kink is present. Kink is a kind of band present in the capillary tube. Now this kink is present to prevent the backflow of mercury into the thermometer bulb when the thermometer bulb is removed from mouth of a patient. It prevents the mercury level in the thermometer tube from falling on its own, so that it remain constant after taking out from the mouth of patient. Now let's see how the clinical thermometer is different from a laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure body temperature, while laboratory thermometer measures temperature of liquids. So it is used in laboratory. Range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius, while in laboratory thermometer it is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. A kink is present in clinical thermometer and kink is not present in laboratory thermometer. In clinical thermometer, temperature can be taken after removing from the mouth, but in laboratory thermometer, temperature is taken while the thermometer is in liquid. Now there are different types of thermometer other than clinical and laboratory thermometer. In order to measure very high temperatures such as those of flame, furnaces, oven, etc., bimetallic thermometers are used. Similarly, maximum and minimum temperature of a day is measured by using maximum and minimum thermometer. These days, digital thermometers are also used instead of mercury thermometer because mercury is a toxic substance and it can cause accidents.
Thanks for watching.